What are you doing, Chipper? Huh? Come here. There. Oh, that's a good bird. That's a good bird, Chipper. Let's see if you see him kind of bow his head. Come on, Chipper. Yes, okay. Can I pet you, huh? Yeah. That's a good bird. That's a good bird, Chipper. Yeah, he's a good bird. He's a good bird, Chipper. You want to just get inside my hand? Huh? Yeah. Oh. It's okay. You gonna talk? Are you gonna talk? No. You're not gonna talk? Oh, you are talking? Well, let's see. You talk? Can we see your wings? Can we see your wings? Can we see your wings, Chipper? Can we see your wings? Come on. I know you do them usually outside the cage. Come on. Can you see your wings? You see your wings? I guess you're not going to do any talking.